Right, good morning everyone. So today is the day, which is becoming a bit of a, I guess, a family tradition, planting the potatoes. So Pop has got all his tractors out and we're going to be ploughing this up and then planting later this afternoon. So Ezra's excited, he's a tractor man, and Anders. So yeah, we're about to get started. What's that?
It's dying.
Yeah, the note was changing just then out of the muffler.
Just that last run, it started to run very erratic, and I turned the key off and it wouldn't stop.
So it's getting oil in the
Yeah.
could be getting oil into the.
No, it's got a blown head gasket, I'm sure of it.
But this one hasn't had a ploughing before like that, has it?
No, we had it playing around with a twin furrow last time, and it didn't work very good.
But it didn't do much ploughing though.
Too.
Yeah.
Head gasket, you're making it do that.
With the motor that we pulled out of the 35 come these? No.
Different.
No,
Mounting different.
that's a
spine.
pity. Because that'd be a good motor to put on there.
Yeah. No, it's new.
There's bubbling along there. Might need an engine rebuild.
It's not good.
I think we ran out of fuel, so we're having a top up. Keep planting them, keep putting them in. They've got to go in. Put it in. You don't need to hold on with your hands. You can. Yep. Well, it was a fun couple hours. Got everything planted. Thought it was going to rain. The rain sort of is going along the hills there. It doesn't really, it's not really making to us. You can feel a little bit in the air, but it's not really, not really raining. So managed to get it in before the rain. So it's a little bit bigger area than last time. Last time it was from where it is there to the pole over there. And we've added on another, I don't know, 8 meters or something. 8 meters out that way. So yeah, it's quite a good size area. So yeah. Well, now we just gotta wait for them to grow. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you somewhere else on the farm. See ya. I might get it without the pulley.
Huh?
I might get it without the pulley.
What did you get? The backwards or...
I've got the pulley, but I might just be able to get it by pulling on it.
What do you want me to do?
Well, I was going to take her over there, but she wouldn't get up, so
What do you want me to do? Oh, that's still a livestock
can't we
farm.
pull on it?
Huh?
Can't we pull on it?
Okay.
You gotta, you need to get down low.
And then there were 2.
And now there is 2.
Well, when there's your book, huh?
Call your call the midwife. Do you want to just give her one under the vein, under the skin? Okay. And then,
You want to put that on a 2-2 while you're at it?
should I just pull them out?
Yeah. Let's finish it off at 6.25 days.
Yeah.
Just giving her some medicine. Sorry. might want to turn that calf around. Seems to be a bit. There goes that idea.
Yeah, that's probably that. Follow that. Let her just do it. You got the needle yet? She's alright. I thought she was. It was probably just
The situation where she can't get up.
the pinched nerve.
Yeah.
A little bit of pinch nerve. Just ice on the pelvis.
Yeah.
She will be absolutely fine.
Yep. You might be able to reuse this one.
She's happy. Actually, that's a little bit tangled. Yeah, it's alive. Right, we'll leave you to it, girl.